Hey everybody, I am Shannon, the creator behind Music Library, a subscription box for kids that combines the joy of experiencing music and reading together in the same subscription box. And it's time to find out what's in the July box. So our first book is Because by Mo Willems with pictures by Amber Wren, and this is a really great story. It's about a young girl who attends her first orchestra concert and is so inspired and moved by the music that she decides that she wants to become a musician when she grows up. And she ends up writing a piece of music that is then performed at the same concert hall where she saw her first concert. It's a really heartwarming story, and I just love it, and I'm so excited that we're starting with this book. You will also get this conductor's baton, and I am so excited to be handing these out because I didn't get one of these until I was in college studying music. This is a tool, not a toy, and I did that on purpose because I didn't want you to feel like this was something that you could just pick up at a toy store and store anywhere. This is the real deal, so just be careful with your little ones when they are using it. Make sure they're not running around. You don't want to have any accidents with that one. So conducting, and then also on the digital resources page there is a video that shows how you can use this to conduct in a 4/4 time pattern, and some great facial expressions that I show that you can use in order to conduct your orchestra. Then you will also get the materials to make your very own thumbprint masterpiece, and that's going to include some staff paper, ink, and a marker, and you're going to use that to create thumbprint music. And so you can see here, my kids did this one. They used their thumbprints in the ink to create notes, and we used our marker to create eighth notes, single eighth notes, barred eighth notes, and no quarter notes on this one. But then we gave it a title, and we signed it and put a date on it, and you will get a frame that you can frame your very own thumbprint masterpiece. So that's what will be shipped to you in the July box. And then you'll also get this card, and on this card has the access code for the digital resources. And that's really the meat and potatoes of this subscription box, all of the things that are on the digital resource page. This month there is a video of me playing the piano, a song that's in the back of the book Because. There's also 4 or 5 different downloadable printables to include a word find, some discussion and writing prompts, things that you can use to sit down with your older kids. There's also 3 recordings by different composers that you can use to conduct along with your baton, and of course the video of me conducting, and then there's a little bit about the story of Because and how it all came to be, and a little bit about the author and the illustrator, and also the lady who wrote the music that I play at the end of the story time. So that's that for the July box. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to contact me, and I hope you enjoy.